The Zimbabwe Union of Drivers and Conductors has expressed opposition to the Harare City Council plan to ban minibuses, combis, from the city's roads by 2028. Sarabena mashoko yanyatsoonekwa this is the current situation iri kuitika mu Harare CBD uchionekwa kunzi aiwa maunions ari kuuya achiopoza zviri kutaurwa aiwa nezvigananda zviri kuonekwa kunzi they want to take advantage aiwa nekubhana makombis kuti vakwanise kuimplementa mastrategies avo anoita kuti wanyase kuluta ndirwa subscribe like on the bell icon tipina munhu auzvizere mudanyi kwamchinzi. According to the recently adopted Harare master plan covering the period 2025 to 2045, the city intends to phase out combis within 3 years. However, in an interview with Newsday, Zimbabwe Union for Drivers and Conductors President Frederick Maguraminga said it was unrealistic to ban commuter omnibuses. He said due to the city's poor road conditions, buses alone would not be sufficient to meet the city's transport needs. Maguraminga said that combis remain a common mode of transport in many countries and warned that if the proposed phase out is carried out aggressively, as was the case during the COVID-19 era, it would create challenges for the country in the future, said Maguraminga. The buses that they call mass transport system will not get all people, and one cannot wait for 5 hours for a bus to get into town and travel 5 to 7 kilometers to get in town. Passengers Association of Zimbabwe President Tafazwa Goliath said the council should focus on repairing public toilets and allow combis to continue operating in Harare, he said. The master plan also proposes that the city of Harare engages the state through local government in public works ministry, the transport and infrastructural development ministry for the return of motor vehicle licensing to the city. It further calls for the allocation of Zimbabwe National Road Administration (ZNARA) funds proportional to the number of vehicles registered in the city for funding road improvements. Tomashukwa rubuda panguva inoi. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinai kumasection medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.